Alpaca. I ate alpaca too.
Alright, I got it, okay. Got it. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Oh yeah, he's fighting. He's fighting.
Now he's going.
Yeah, he's fighting. Come on, Dallas. How come you haven't reeled that thing in yet?
Go on, Dallas. Hey, go on, you fucking wimp. That's only a little Mekong jellyfish. Huh? I'm not a good guy. I always cause him too much bullshit.
Oh yeah, he's fighting. Yeah, he's a big one. He's a pretty big one. Oh yeah. He's still fighting. Yeah. Yeah, this would be a good video. Oh, Dallas, yeah, geez. Okay, movie, video. Come on, Dallas, what's the problem here? Just a little minnow,
I don't know. Gotta make it look good.
This is causing you a little trouble here, this one?
Gotta make it look good for the
You need
spectators.
another Singha.
Be on YouTube.
You need Singha to give you power.
It'll be
No,
on
no.
YouTube. Hey,
You need whiskey.
It'll be on YouTube tonight. On YouTube.
Oh yeah,
Dallas,
can you upload that to YouTube? Oh, that'll be cool, man.
Actually, I'll do a couple.
Oh yeah, that would be neat. I don't know how you do it, but
you gotta sign into you gotta log in and then just upload. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, that
easy.
would be so
Easy.
cool.
Yeah, I can do it. I just do it. Hey Dallas, what's the problem, man? You know, like what? This little baby fish.
Like I say, making it look good for YouTube.
Oh, it's not that little small.
Down.
Alright, then you're the camera guy.
Oh!
Nice. Hey, that's a little...
Not bad at all.
50 pounder. Hey, 40 pounder?
I know.
There you go. Yeah. My battery's getting low, but I got it. Yeah, there he is. He's still squirming. He's still fighting. Yeah, no, yeah.
Enough of your bullshit.
Give him a slap. Slap him upside the head. All right. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, we got the movie going. All right.
Warm out here.
You got him, buddy. You got him.
Yeah.
It?
All right.
Yeah. All right.